चम 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 चम
नहीं तो ये पहले एक बार बजा लो ना ये
चमकती शाम है।
कूलर लाया कि नहीं लाया?
फिर क्या था?
चल 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 चल
स्पीकर आया कि नहीं
चल
आया?
चल 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 चलकता जाम है। ठीक है फिर
उसके बाद?
चम 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 चम
ये तो
चम
हाँ,
चम
ये तो
चम
हो
चम
गया।
चम 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 चम
क्या तो वाला था ना?
चमकती शाम है।
नहीं।
हाँ,
नहीं,
फिर
हाँ।
अभी नहीं। अब हमारे फोटो खींच रहे थे।
देखो फोन आया, जस्ट उससे पहले ही फोन आया टीशा का। हाँ पूल साइड।
इतनी अच्छी लग रही हो यार।
फोन एक्चुअली हमें पता नहीं
तुम
तैयार
कैसे?
होकर
थर्ड गेट से आओ, उस दो थर्ड गेट पे लिखा हुआ है वुडलैंड।
Oh, how long? How long have you known each other?
It's been 10 years? More than 10 years?
More than 10 years.
What
Oh,
was
when I saw him for the first time, he was very goofy. I mean, I think I was very attracted to the fact that I'll have a lot of fun with this boy.
My first impression of her was that I saw her abusing the warden so much just because she didn't let her in during the curfew time. So she used to abuse the warden so much, and I remember asking a friend of mine that who is she?
ಅಪ್ಪ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅವ್ನು ಬಂದು ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಡೂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಇದೆ.
कौन हूँ मैं? कौन हूँ आपको ये पता है?
देखो ये आपको भाव दे रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं मैं अपना
लोग जब जाम लड़ाते हैं हाथ में, फिर हाथ मिलाने में क्या देते हैं?
So, like I said, the past 3 days have been very chaotic, very stressful, very tiring, exhausting, but beautiful at the same time. These 3 days, I think it won't come back. These were the best days of our lives. I can say, I can speak for her now.
Oh, same.
So,
Same.
तेरे ही नाम से जाने दुनिया अब से ये सारी मुझे सजदे करूं तेरे आगे बातें तेरी सड़कों पे है लाखों जतन थे किए मैंने ये संग हर जन्म में रहूं तेरे तुमसे जुड़ी है ये जीवन की डोर मेरे तू ही तो मेरा है मैं तेरे हारूं तुझ पे मैं दोनों जहां ये मेरे तू ही तो मेरी है जीत रे
one thing that kept us together was the love that we had for each other.
Yeah.
Maybe as friends, maybe as
No, I think just as the person you are and I am. Yeah. नहीं?
I think
अच्छा
something
लगे ना
something clicked, which we both didn't know for so long. क्या चल रहा है?
एक्चुअली पहले बहुत ज़्यादा वाइट मेकअप कर दिया था।
दिल लेके दिल दे दिया है, हाय प्यार में कैसी सौदेबाजियां।
I know for a fact that I was her best friend with respect to guys. She used to come to me with all the problems, and similarly I used to go to her.
I'm not much of a problem solver, but I'll listen.
So she used to come, we used to sit together, we used to talk for hours and hours post, I think, classes in college. And yes, we knew that we are good friends, but we never knew that, you know, there's something that's gonna make us stay with each other for the rest of our lives. But yeah, one day it clicked.
I know
And-
the exact moment when I we had like a conversation, and Akshat said that I really don't want to move ahead with a casual thing because we're very good friends and I really value a lot in my life. So whatever is happening for the end game. And I think that was the point where I was like, oh my god, he's so. So it was always the end game.
हाँ भाई आओ, चलो शुरू।
पल भर में कैसे बदलते हैं रिश्ते, हो पल भर में कैसे बदलते हैं रिश्ते, अब तो अपना बेगाना लगता है, जिस जॉइंट से ताली हम दीवाना लगता है। Like a firefly over the night, alive and bright, chasing all shadows. Like a firefly over the night, alive and bright, chasing all shadows.
I crave spending time with him. So ever since we've started working, and there's been a lot of chaos, and we live in Delhi, so we have a lot of friends, we have a lot of family there, and every single day we talk, and I tell him that, listen, what are you doing in the evening? Let's go for a walk, or maybe we can go for a drive. And I think I crave more of him. The more I spend time with him, I crave more of him, and I think that's so weird. So yeah.
Searching in the wilderness, we've never been more certain. In the stillness, in the open, in the in-between, it's here we finally know it. More than chance, more than fate, more than words on a page.
I think the best memory with her is when you used to, in college, when you used to spend time alone. In the sense, we used to talk about different things. We used to rant about our different people. So yeah, I think that is the best memory. We used to connect a lot. I think she was one of the very few people that I had in college or in my life that I have, whom I can tell everything. Now, of course, I tell everything, but as a friend also in the past.
Now the Pandit ji has said that you have to tell me everything. Taken a vachan for that.
I used to tell her everything, how I'm feeling, what is going on and everything. She used to know everything about me. So yeah, that is the one memory I carry. Our college meetings, our shenanigans.
This is going to be the night to remember. Capture every moment. Capture every moment and make the memories.
We've only just begun, so let's just run. Our time has finally come, so let's just run. There's so much more to come. There's something I can feel standing here before the
I think she is very emotional. It can be bad sometimes also, but it is mostly it is good. She, like I told you, she puts the soul in this relationship. So I'm very practical. I see things in a very straight manner. So she gives me different perspectives कि नहीं नहीं ऐसा भी होता है, ऐसा भी होता है, ऐसा भी होता है. So yeah, that is the best thing I like about her.
Time to get local tonight is a night. Let's blow it up like a fireball ignite. Shake it down low, take it up high. Now is the time and the place. So here have a good time. We're shining in the spotlight. Now is the time and the place. We're here to have a good time.
I think the wedding ceremony was surreal. Like I enjoyed the whole process so much, and I was so happy to see Akshat so present. He's just so there, and he was navigating with the Pandit ji. He was navigating the wedding, which was so nice. And I think everything that we did together as a couple, I think everything was just so beautiful. The past 10 days have also been very, very beautiful. Just planning everything, seeing kind of small moments to meet each other, spending time with our families and the emotions that were involved. I think the last 10 days were the best days of my life. I don't know how I feel, honestly. It's all so fast. I really don't know how I feel, but I'm very excited, and I'm very excited to make my entry. And I think the bride was the first one in the family to get ready. So I'm a very excited bride. Akshat was crying. I was so surprised because he's not crying.
I'll tell you. So we live in Delhi only, and we were the only. I think I was the only one going for her shopping. So I knew how the outfits are, how everything is. But the moment she came for the wedding, she was looking very beautiful. I just can't tell. I can't speak about that feeling right now. I'm not able to put it in words. But yeah, it was a very beautiful moment for me.
कोई लफ्ज़ ही नहीं इस दुनिया में कर दे जो ये बयां तू क्या है मेरे लिए मैंने मांगा था रब से बस एक ही सितारा बदले में दे दिया मुझको तारों से भरा उसने आसमां ये सारा ओ सजना मैं तेरा तू मेरी हो गईया ओ सजना मैं तेरा तू मेरी हो वाली आवा तो मावी ते मरी रातो मारा गीतो नो अनहद सहारो छे तू
तेरे ओर मैं चलूं तेरे संग मैं रहूं चाहे बदले दुनिया बदले ज़माना.
When I was getting my makeup done, I was very sleepy in the morning when I was getting my makeup done for the wedding, and there was no entry song, right? I had not decided on an entry song, so the song from Two State that was playing, and instantly I opened my eyes and I was like, this is such a beautiful song for my entry. And I decided at that point of time, I arranged everything, and I was so annoyed that nobody is ready to get me married by 4 in the evening. The moment that I saw him, he was looking so beautiful. I forgot everything. It was so beautiful, the whole setup. He was looking so handsome, and I was trying to sneak a peek when he was getting his safa tied, but I couldn't. And that was the first time that I was seeing him in the sherwani and everything. So handsome. I think my vidai, that is a memory that we created. I think that I'll keep forever. It was just so beautiful seeing him mingle with my family. Everybody was so crazy about him, and he was so involved with my family like a son. It was such a nice feeling at that point of time. It really felt like, I brought him into my family instead of my vidai. It was his introduction where, it was just so beautiful.
इसके विच दो में रंग के दिल नूरा वेख दे दे लब के हो रंग इसके विच दो में रंग के दिल नूरा वेख दे दे लब के माही सोनिया असा तेनू चुनिया तेरे नाल दी मैं भी तेरी हो गया माही सोनिया हसा तेनू चुनिया मैं भी तेरे नाल दी मैं भी तेरी हो गया
I just want her to be with me, us. I want us to be together, and yeah, we'll see how things goes in whatever circumstances might be. I just want her to be there, sitting right here. So that is all. This is what I expect in coming years. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Maybe in some other time we'll be sitting here, you recording us differently.
It's Veera time!
मेरा